interiors more sustainable, we can look at it through two perspectives. The first one is the process side, and the second one is the materials that we use. To make the process more sustainable, we can start by using more renewable energies or low carbon electricity. We can opt to use green steel. We can also use natural dyes and reduce the amount of chemicals in our processes. A clear example is the tanning of the leather that uses a lot of chemicals and has a lot of leakages. So using more organic products in this process can increase the sustainability of our supply chain. In terms of materials, there are different avenues that we can follow, and it can become as simple or as complex as we want it. First of all, we can opt for lightweight materials that can support the fuel efficiency of the car, while also for electric vehicles improve the battery range. The other option that we could follow comes through the circularity lens. In the circularity principle, it comes in higher in the hierarchy to reuse, to remanufacture, or to repair products before recycling. That's why circularity is so important to be embedded since the design of the process of the component, so we do not go directly to recycling. If we are not in that stage anymore and we are trying to make the material more sustainable, yes, we can opt for recycling, and this can be done through different processes. We can use recycled materials like PET bottles or fishing nets. We can recycle scrap from our processes. We can use recycled components from end-of-life vehicles, or at the end of the life of the vehicle, we can recycle those components and make it into new post-consumer products. If we want to get more complex into more innovative products, we could see the biocomposites and bioplastics. These are made from organic products such as hemp, flax seeds, algae, cactus, and so on, and bioplastics such as polylactic acid. These are materials that are continuously being tested to be used in the interiors. And again, using some of these strategies or all of them are not gonna completely change our supply chain, but these are small steps towards making it more sustainable.